Now available to rent, we at U-Haul proudly present our new Ready-to-Go box. Already providing do-it-yourself movers with a wide selection of moving boxes to purchase, the Ready-to-Go box is our newest rental option to complement our outstanding lineup of packing solutions. Available to pick up at select U-Haul locations, our Ready-to-Go boxes are 24 inches long by 20 inches wide and 12 inches deep. They're large enough to contain many of your personal items, yet small enough to fit through residential doorways. Ready-to-Go boxes are constructed of a heavy-duty plastic that keep your valuables safe and protected. Our boxes come pre-assembled, eliminating the need for box cutters and packing tape. Simply open the top, fill with your belongings, and close the lid. Our Ready-to-Go boxes also have ergonomic handles designed for easy lifting and are durable enough to stack. For more information about how our Ready-to-Go boxes can service your packing and moving needs, visit uhaul.com/ready-to-go box. U-Haul Ready-to-Go box, now available in Austin.